How to fix lag in your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in your Google Chrome browser easy. So all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on those three dots and then scroll down and go to more tools. And now all what you have to do is click on task manager. Now all what you have to do is make sure to end the process of the apps that you don't want on your Chrome browser. For example, this extensions right here, click on end process, and this extensions here, click on end process, and after that click again here, go to settings, go to system, and make sure to disable this option and this option too, and click on relaunch. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.